Good day! In this video, we are going to look at the typical Year 9 inverse proportion question from New Zealand. So without further ado, let's read the question. A team of 5 students can deliver leaflets to every house in the neighborhood in 3 hours. How long will it take a team of 2 people to do the same job? So this is an inverse proportion because as the number of students decreases, okay, so from 5 students to 2 students, okay, so I would expect the number of hours to increase. So as the number of students decreases, the number of hours to be done has to increase. So we shall work this out. This is called an inverse proportion type of question. So we shall start the question by saying 5 students, okay, 5 students can do the job in 3 hours, okay. So now the question is, how long will it take if it take 2 people? Instead, if you have 2 students now, so the number of students has decreased, I would expect the number of hours to increase. So this is called inverse proportion, and we do not know, so in algebra, we let the unknown be x, okay? So now we are going to solve for x by doing algebra. So what we're going to do is that we are going to take x over 3. So now we put a fraction. So x over 3 because we want the x on top. So x over 3, you just take x over 3 because this is inverse, bottom, top. Now you have to be top over bottom. So that will be equals to 5 over 2. Okay, remember, if inverse, you take bottom, top, and then the other side be top over bottom. If it is direct proportion, bottom, top, bottom, top. Okay, can you remember that? Okay, now we know the algebra to solve for x, because we want to know what is the x hours, okay? We just need to get rid of this 3. We are going to multiply 3 on both sides of the equation. So x is going to be x over 3 will become x, and on the left hand side, it's going to be 5 over 2 times 3. Then now you put your calculator, 5 over 2 times 3, and I've done beforehand, it's going to be equals to 7.5 hours. So I repeat again, if you are doing inverse proportion, you take the bottom number, x, divided by the top number 3, and on the left hand side, you take the top divided by bottom. So that has an equation. To get rid of the 3, you multiply by 3 on both sides. Okay, when you multiply by 3, the 3 will cancel out. On the right hand side, left x, on the left hand side, 5 over 2 times 3, put in your calculator, and that is how you do an inverse proportion question. Make sure you know how to do this, because this type of question will most likely appear in most exams in the year 9 or even in year 10 in your school. Cheers everyone, and have a good day.